how are we gonna get that PR? Parang nagre-research kami, umaga, gabi, I stay up all night just to find, kasi we are all DIY. Lahat ng process namin ng visa, I did it myself. Kasi budget again, I didn't want to pay for migration agent. So non-stop research and find ways, talk to people para maka-get ng mga tips or ideas. Kasi from the get-go, day one, our plan, my plan and goal was to be able to obtain permanent residency here in Australia.
Nung dumating kami dito sa Australia, wala rin kaming kaibigan. Nung dumating kami, tsaka lang namin nalaman na may mga kamag-anak kami dito. Kayo ba naging problema o naging hamon din yung parang pag-settle ng homesickness?
The challenge was, wala kaming friends dito, wala kaming kamag-anak. So, it was just me and my partner, which is my wife now. All our support system, each other. It was a lot of trial and error kasi wala ka